if in nature there may not be an element for which the principal quantum number n is greater than 4, then the total possible number of elements will be. So, try to understand the question. He says there will not be any element which will have a principal quantum number more than 4, okay, more than 4. Then how many elements will be there? You know how many number of elements are there right now, it is more than 100, correct? But if at all the nature has in it where there cannot be any element having the principal quantum number more than 4, then how many elements will be there? So, the maximum number of states is 2n square. For principal quantum number n is equal to 1, the number of elements can be how much? It will be 2 into 1 square. So, that will be 2, correct? Similarly, for n is equal to 2, 2 into 2 square, that is 8. N is equal to 3, 2 into 3 square, that is 18. N is equal to 4, that implies 2 into 4 square. 4 square is 16 into 2, it is 32. So, if at all a element has got a quantum number, principal quantum number 4, it will have 32 states. 32 different state means 32 different elements. For n equal to 3, it might have 18 different states. So, total possible states are, or total possible elements are 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 32, that is 60. Only